As an investor, you're always on the lookout for the next big winner, but finding it amidst the sea of information can be overwhelming. It's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose sight of what really matters. That's why it's essential to have a tool that can help you cut through the noise and identify high potential stock ideas quickly and efficiently. That's where MarketSmith's Growth50 comes in. Growth50 is a list of high potential stock ideas you'll receive every Friday, so you can do your research before they move higher, helping you profit more in the market. The list is generated algorithmically using our proprietary ratings and rankings with other fundamental and technical data such as return on equity, margins, price performance and base patterns, etc. By filtering out the top 50 growth stocks in India at any given time, it helps you to cut through the noise and save a tremendous amount of time. You can quickly scan the list every weekend to uncover potential investment opportunities that may move higher in the future. Growth 50 list is very easy to access. Once you're on the idea list page, simply select the Growth 50 section to see the list. The Growth 50 list will show you all the 50 stocks currently in the list. If you wish to see the stocks that are added in the current week, you can see them in the recent additions list. Similarly, recent removals list will have all the stocks dropped from the list recently. Near buy point is the list you should be paying close attention, as it will show you the stocks that are nearing a buy point when chart patterns are taken into consideration. Remember, this list is not a buy or sell recommendation. We are using a rigorous criteria to cut the noise and bring the very best stocks to you so that you can cut through the noise in a time-efficient manner. But you still have to do your own research and due diligence. So, the next step is to run the stocks through an investment checklist to see if that meet all your investment criteria. Once you click on a stock, it will directly take you to the evaluation page, where you can do your research on the stock. On the evaluation page, you can quickly look at the stock's chart, ratings, and ranking, and various fundamentals and other data points. Do not forget to check the important fundamental metrics such as earnings and sales growth, return on equity, etc. See the weekly chart to confirm the long-term trend of the stock. Check the RS line to see if it is outperforming or underperforming the market. Most importantly, do not chase an extended stock. Ideal buy point is within 5% of the most recent pivot level. If you wish to go to the list again, you can click here. Or you can also click on Next and previous icons to see the next or previous stock on the list.